you keeping? Cheese Light. And today we're gonna do unboxing. This one is different. It's coming from Turkey. And I don't know why. Well, I know why. I kind of know why. I ordered this from Turkey. We'll do it. And I'm gonna do my unboxing. What is this? We're gonna find out in a minute. I'm excited about this. Looks like I know what it is now. I know what it is now. Yes, I know what it is. Okay. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Right, what it is. I actually really ordered this one. I ordered this from Turkey. I'm having my 60th birthday. And these are the little bandolier. Push it. So yeah. So it says happy birthday. That's how it goes. Thank you for celebrating with us on my 60th birthday, Manji. Isn't that nice? So I ordered, well, I'm anticipating I have like 30 visitors, but I guess only 25 confirmed. It's a little bit souvenir when you are doing a celebration. Isn't it so nice? Okay. So that's what my unboxing is for today. A little souvenir. And because I'm turning 16, and then I'm gonna use that word tomorrow. It's actually a fridge magnet. See there? You know, I ordered this online and I didn't realize that when I ordered it, it's actually coming from Turkey. This is actually a fridge magnet. Reminding that I turned 60. And this is coming from Turkey, you know. It's not bad. Okie dokie. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is the celebration of my birthday. Here you go. Oh, it's a little something. I thought I chose pink, but came gold.